Like the Greek philosopher Diogenes, the individual whose birthday falls on this day is a truth seeker who spends a lifetime in search of honesty and sincerity. The crusader in your makeup causes you to feel strongly about social problems and community issues. Your nurturing, compassionate nature makes you something of a fixer of people and their problems. You are extremely sensitive to what others need and you enjoy doing things for them. Most of your actions are closely allied to your feelings and emotions. However, your insight and intuition tend to work hand in hand with your analytical mind. As a result, you always seem to know when it's really okay to be emotional and when it's better to be completely practical. You prefer playing your card close to your chest as a mean of avoiding confrontation. Your real opinion of things often remains hidden or distinguished. A natural detective, you love. A natural detective, you love suspense and mystery. Musical, poetic, and artistic abilities are common among those with this vibration, and you may be quite skilled in handicraft, writing, dancing, or painting. In an intimate relationship, you are cautious and vulnerable but also very affectionate and caring. Naturally nurturing and giving, you are capable of touching the other person's soul. When you are feeling insecure, you become jealous and overprotective. You need a partner who makes you feel cherished and appreciated.